Sammy got lipsticks.
Oh, what?
Oh, thank you.
Natalie, go get Biddy. It's for one for you and Biddy.
Well, the dog wasn't bothering anybody.
He's
stepping off.
Adam.
Oh, come on. Wait a second. Grandma's got 4 already. Man.
It says from
Mommy, what this?
It's a t-shirt.
For my school?
This is for you to wear.
What's on your t-shirt?
Papa Pig.
Who?
Papa Pig.
Peppa Pig?
Oh, it says, yeah, it's Peppa Pig. Look.
Do you like that, Sammy?
Matching pajamas.
She likes her lipstick.
Uh-oh.
It's Peppa Pig.
Matching
Open the
PJs.
present. I stick the tissue paper
For
out.
you and Biddy?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
Okay.
What are you gonna name your new girl?
I don't know yet.
Gotta think about that one.
My new cake again.
Sammy has those PJs too, Nat.
I got sword places again.
Star PJs, and look at a little pair of pajamas for your doll.
Papa,
She get a chance to move like in school, you know?
this is for me.
Oh, wow.
And look at the little pair of
Wow.
pajamas that came with it for your doll.
Gary, I got something.
Do you see the little pair of pajamas that came for your doll?
This is one for you.
You don't see that?
Oh, no.
Who's that from, Kevin? That's a big one.
You
from
and
your
Dad.
Oh.
3.
I got another Roberta Sherwood album last night. Yes. I didn't know there were any more left.
Ooh, there's a trophy in this one.
Kevin, what's that? Oh, look at this. Look
3
at
of
this.
Ooh, the
You look
chain
nice.
chomp.
Wow.
Dad, it's for cold or hot.
Whoa.
Oh, for me? Awesome.
I'm going to be playing with a lot of these in the same track.
Wow, more connects. Look at you.
Wow. Now these two are mine.
Wait a sec, this is green. Hold on. A little bit.
One's from Grandma and Papa. And one's from
It's an umlaut shirt.
Natalie. Right.
Irish yoga.
New boots.
New boots for Natalie. Thank you, Karen Adam.
You're welcome.
Let me see. Ah, lovely.
Takes a little while to study it.
No, I know what it is.
Irish yoga.
I got it.
But I need it. For all of my squints.
Do you see Sammy over here just putting her lipstick on?
All of my squinties.
This is good.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're
You're
welcome.
welcome, buddy.
We're going to have to collect some money for
Let me see
that.
that. Oh, you're gonna be like Papa, huh? Save all your coins?
They collect the counts
Blue
that went
present.